Welcome to the Interlibrary Loan Guide with Lewis Library. First, we'll be starting out at the LaGrange College website. If you see up here in the right-hand corner, you can find the link to the library webpage. By going over here and scrolling down, you can find Search the Library. Here you can see we have three options: the catalog, Galileo, or the research guides. If you click on the research guides and click all the guides, you will now have access to all the LibGuides that we have within the Lewis Library. From here, you'll have three different options on how to access the Interlibrary Loan form. The first option is to use the About the Library guide, the second being the Interlibrary Loan Guide, and the third being the Reference Guide. Using the About the Library guide, if you scroll all the way down to the very bottom and look on the left-hand side, you will find a tab titled Interlibrary Loan. Here you can find the ILL request form as well as access to the ILL guide. If you decide to go directly to the Interlibrary Loan Guide, you will find the home page, which will also give you the link to the Interlibrary Loan form, but it will also give you information on a frequently asked questions page, as well as be able to view our policies. The last option is by going straight to the reference guide. Here you can find in the top tabs, we have access to the ILL guide, but you'll also find access to the frequently asked questions and policy guides as well. Now that you know where to access the Interlibrary Loan Guide, we will be moving on to the Lewis Library Interlibrary Loan request form. In this form, you will need to fill out your name, your LaGrange College email address, whether or not you were a student, the date that you will need the article or book by, as well as the title, author, publishing date, ISBN number, as well as the volume, issue, and edition information. Be sure to also agree to the copyright agreements found at the very bottom. Then you will just submit the form. Now, this being said, there is another way to access Interlibrary Loan other than the ways mentioned prior. The ways mentioned prior are best used when you have found a book or article located elsewhere and need to input the information manually. However, if you are using Galileo, there is a few different other steps. Going back to the library webpage, by scrolling down and going to the Search the Library box that we were at earlier, you can find the Galileo tab. Within the Galileo tab, enter your keyword terms and it will bring you to the Discover Galileo page. Once you have found a book or article that you like, you can simply click on the link, Request this item through Interlibrary Loan, and you'll be brought to a request form that is already partially filled out with item details. All you'll need to do is enter your first and last name, your L number, your email address, the date needed, as well as continuing to fill in any information that is not already pre-entered. Remember, if you need any Interlibrary Loan help or have any questions, feel free to contact me directly.